Hey people, today we are talking about Master Resell Rights, okay, MRR. This is what most people call it, and I get asked about what are these Master Resell Rights, and I take my time to explain it in this video as simple and basic as I can. All right, so please make sure you watch this video till the end, because at the end of this video, right, I am going to show you how you can get hold of the best MRR products, and you can also start selling them. So basically, let's come back to Master Resell Rights. Master Resell Rights is basically a model of licensing where people who build great digital products, mostly it could be ebooks, it could be video courses, it could be softwares, and they will grant their customers the ability or the authority to resell those products and keep 100% of the profit or of the price. So basically, that's what Master Resell Rights stands for, is the ability to buy a product and have the authority to resell that product to your customers, and in turn your customers can be able to resell that product as well for a profit and keep 100% of the profit. So that's MMR. Now the pros here are a lot, okay, but we're going to talk about few pros of Master Resell Rights. So just think about it this way: you want to start your own business, and you will have to either build your own products or pay people to build your products. It could be digital product, it could be physical products, okay, but you will have to build those products from scratch. Now what Master Resell Rights products helps here, or help you do, is you don't need to go through all the hustle. You just buy what people already built, what is already selling, and you set up your store and you start selling those products. All you need to do is to promote it to the right audience and you start selling. So that's number one pros of Master Resell Rights products. The second one is the revenue that comes with it. You think of it this way: is an income stream. So you have set up your store, and all you do is to watch your profit or watch your money grow every day. You are selling 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5 products, depending on the size of your audience or how you are promoting those products. You will make a lot of sales, and keep 100% of the profit. That's how basic it is. That's how simple it is, and that's how you can start selling Master Resell Rights product. Now, why I say you should stay to the end of this video is because I wanted to introduce resellrightsempire.com. is one of the best places today to get access to the best MRR products, start selling them for a profit, and you keep 100% of the profit. You will have to just click the link that is in the description below, visit resellrightsempire.com, and as well become a member. When you become a member of that community, what you get is a community that is going to help you set up your store and start selling Master Resell Rights products for a profit, and you can sell it as much as you want. You have full access to all the products that are on that store, depending on the membership level you choose to go with. Okay, I will drop the link in the comment section. Make sure you visit resellrightsempire.com to make sure you start to get full access to what the platform offers and start selling digital products for a profit. Now, I will ask you to do me a favor as well. Help me subscribe to this channel so you won't miss any of the tutorials or any of the videos I will be dropping every week to help you build your business online. Thank you.